Hey folks, today is September the 10th. It's currently about 9:38 in the morning. I've been switching back and forth through the currency pairs, and so far we don't have any proper setups yet. This is the Euro USD 5-minute. Trend is up. The top and bottom areas are set up for a long, and up here, as you can see, the Precog ribbon is set for a long, and as well as the Precog predictor. But what we need right now is to see this turn blue, the MACD, and we need a nice blue bar to close above this light blue line here. So that's what we're waiting on there. Let's check out the rest of the pairs. Alright, I have GBP USD set up on a 15-minute chart. I actually checked all of them on the 5 and 15 minutes, but this is the only one I saw that had a potential setup on the 15-minute. As you can see here, trend direction is up. Everything here states that the market should be moving up. Precog predictor is green. Precog ribbon is green. The only thing we need now is for the MACD to close above the blue line. And I'd ideally like to see the trend start to move up as well. And we also, of course, need the price to close above the Precog ribbon here. So there are a couple things we need to see happen before this becomes a trade. All right, I'm going to go ahead and pause it. I think we have some crude oil news today. So we might also be able to take a look at the market after that happens. Let's check out gold really quick. Trend is down. All right, I'll be back with you guys once we get an opportunity to jump in. All right, guys, it looks like we might have a potential setup here. Trend direction is up. We have 4 arrows pointing up. Gives us a long trend direction. Our MACD here, we have the blue bar, and it looks like it might close above the light blue line. If that happens, we'll go ahead and look at taking the long trade. Hopefully we'll get a little bit of a pullback here. $54138. We'll enter another one at the same price. All right, hopefully the market won't decide to just shoot straight up. Be nice if we got a little pullback here. I could enter at 54154. Actually, I don't even think I need to do that. I might be able to just drag it. And this is the only modification I'm going to make here. If we don't get filled, if the market decides to just shoot straight up, then so be it. We will have just missed the trade. So we were looking at about a 20 pip stop, which means a 20 pip take profit. All right, so if the market gets to that level before we get filled, I'll just go ahead and shut it down, close out these orders. All right, I'll pause it and I'll come back to you guys momentarily. All right, folks, just another quick update. As you can see, our entry price will be here. This is our pending order. I already have my stop and take profits in. Take profit 1, take profit 2. We're just waiting to see if the market will come down and fill us here. And look at that. The market's getting pretty close to our first take profit level. So I'm hoping it'll come down and get us into the trade. But if not, we'll go ahead and cancel them out. Let me see what USD CAD is looking like right now. Okay. Yeah, we're getting pretty close to it. It looks like market orders might be a better way to go going forward. Still have a chance of getting in though. All right, if it goes past this level, I'll come back so you guys can see it. If not, hopefully we'll get a pullback here. We'll see. All right, guys. Well, Forex Precog gave us a nice winning trade here. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to get in on it. Let me go ahead and cancel these out. So using a market order might be the thing to do in the future. It's a bit frustrating as that would have been something I could have shot out to you guys pretty quickly here, but it is what it is. All right, so the first profit target was hit, and the second one was up here. It just disappeared. So another good signal. All right, I'll go ahead and pause it, and I'll stay on the lookout for another setup here. All right, folks, the time is now about 11:30. Haven't really had any setups here, but I wanted you to see what would have happened here. As you can see, this was our first profit target. And we would have used 20 as our second, so that would have been hit right here. So obviously we would have hit our first and second take profits on that trade. But like I said earlier, unfortunately, I did not use market orders, so I didn't get filled. And also, I've noticed that there's been some pretty interesting things going on in the market. We had this huge move up here. Not really sure why it happened. I checked Forex Factory, and there was no news at that time, so not sure what to make of that. And USD Swiss franc. Similar things are happening there. And of course, the pound dollar had that nice push up. All right, the closer we get to lunchtime, the more things are going to start to slow down here. So I think I'm going to call it a day. You guys did get to see one trade, even though I didn't get to enter it. But Forex Precog did give us a good call. Let's take a look at a few other pairs and see if there are any opportunities. All right, so nothing that I'm seeing right now. And of course, you guys can expand your currency pairs. These are just the ones I'm choosing to use here. So I think that's going to be it for me for today. Not as I would have planned it to go, but obviously we can't control what the market does here. All right, I'll go ahead and put this video out to you guys, and hopefully tomorrow I'll be able to use the market orders, so we'll definitely be able to get filled. We just won't get as good of fills as we would have doing it the way we've been doing it. Anyway, it's going to be it for today. See you guys tomorrow.